Welcome to Rediff Mail Enterprise. In this video, we will walk you through the Rediff Mail chat feature. This is an integrated messaging tool within the Rediff Mail platform. It enables users to communicate instantly with colleagues, teams, and contacts without leaving their mailbox. After logging into your Rediff Mail Enterprise account, click on the chat option from the left side panel. When you open the Rediff Mail chat section, you will notice a clean and structured interface. All your recent conversations are displayed in the main chat area. The left-hand panel shows your list of contacts and previous chats for quick access. At the top of the chat panel, a search bar is available. This allows you to easily locate any contact by typing their name or email address. Once the contact appears in the list, you can simply click on it to start or continue a conversation. To begin a new one-to-one conversation, click on the New Chat button. After this, you can search for a contact and start sending messages in real time. Users can exchange text messages instantly within the chat window. They can also share files directly using the attachment option. This allows them to send documents, images, or other relevant files to individual contacts or group members. For better collaboration, Rediff Mail also provides the option to create group chats. This can be done by clicking on the Create Group button available at the top of the chat panel. Once you click on Create Group, a pop-up window appears. Here you can enter a suitable name for your group, such as Test Group. Then click on the Add button to proceed. After the group is created, the group chat window opens. You will initially see No Conversation Found, since no messages have been exchanged yet. If you wish to manage group members or change any settings, click on the Settings gear icon at the top. From there, you can view the list of group members, add new users, edit existing members, assign permissions, or remove members if required. Once the group setup is complete, you can start sending messages in the group chat just like a regular chat. All members of the group will be able to view and respond to messages instantly. Rediff Mail also provides administrative controls for group chats. This includes the option to delete the entire conversation history if needed. Overall, the Rediff Mail chat feature helps improve communication and collaboration. It provides a simple, secure, and integrated messaging experience directly within Rediff Mail Enterprise. And that's it. This is how you use the Rediff Chat feature. Thank you for watching.